Now let's take a look on how can we do the takeoff for the wiring. And for this video, I want to demonstrate the wiring for the circuit A1, A2, B5, and B7. First of all, you can check the general node. Usually in the general node, they will let you know what is the size of the wiring. For example, over here, if you zoom up in the first page, you can see that they noted that any wire less than 55 feet, they will use the wire number 12. Anything from 55 to 95 will be number 10, and above that will be number 8. So now we can go to the tool chest, and I will create some of the tool to do the takeoff for the wiring. I will go to measurement over here. Because wiring is the line, so I will use polylink over here, and I just draw something randomly. Hit enter. Don't forget to hit the scale. For now, I just click any random scale because this one is on the general node. I don't need any specific scale. Now what I will do is that I will click here and add to the tool chest, add to electrical over here. Now before you need to do anything, you need to double click over here, okay, to change because over here they have the drawing mode and they have the property mode, and what you want to show is that you need to go to the shape like this one, so that is the property mode. If you have the drawing mode, whenever you draw it will have the shape like that. Okay, this is not what we want, right? You want to go to property mode so you can draw something like that. Okay. Alright, so now if you just use this one, this look very busy and make our takeoff not well organized. What you can do is that you will select this one here. I will change that to number 12 wiring, and then I will go to property over here. I will click on uncheck on the show caption and uncheck on the show segment value. So after you uncheck that, then you can see when you draw something, it doesn't have any text and it's very clean over here. We go back here and we want to increase the line width a little bit because the lines over here is very thin. Maybe increase to 5 to see how that one look, right? And opacity, oh, I want to change this one, not the one I have over here. Okay, so go back here to number 5. Opacity, I will change to around 50. Okay. Color, maybe I'll just keep red over here. Now let's try this one more time. And now you see that one look way better now, right? The thickness of this one is a little bit big. I want to maybe just around 4 is enough. Okay, 4 is enough. Alright, so now I will create 2 more. That is number 10. And number 10, I want to use the color is green. And then I want to use number 8 with the color maybe like blue, like this. Alright, so now I will delete all of this one. I don't need anything else like that. And now I will go back to the drawing of the power system plan. That is the one we need to do the takeoff for. So now first thing we need to do is to do the takeoff for the wiring of A1. So you see that all of the receptacle outlet over here also they use the A1 circuit. The next thing you need to do is that to look for the panel that use A1. Normally the panel use A1 is panel A. You can check over here. So you see panel A is in the electrical equipment room, and the electrical equipment room is on the top over here. The reason that you don't see any panel because this one is too small, so that's why they zoom this one up over here. But we know that panel A is around this area, panel A around this area. So now what we can do is that we will set the scale of this one. The scale of this one is 1/8 to 1 foot. I will set 1/8 inches to 1 foot. Apply scale. Alright, so now I will start measuring. Let's check from here to here to see how far is that. So this one is from here to here is around 37 feet. So I will I think that this one could be around number 12 because anything lower than 55 feet you use number 12. Okay, and you don't have to be very accurate, you just approximate that one. So I will use number 12 over here, and I will link up the circuit over here. Normally they will run that on the wall. Okay, and then I can run that directly to panel A over here. Okay, so that is for circuit A1. Circuit A1. Now circuit we need to do is A2, A3. We need to do for takeoff for A2, and then B5 and B7. Okay, A2 I will do the same thing. So A2 is over here. So from here to here is a little bit far. So this one already 48. So I will assume that they might use number 10 over here. Okay, so I will run like this. Okay, and now we need to run that to panel A. Okay, and now the next thing is B5 and B7. So you see from here to here is almost more than 100 feet. So I think that they will use number 8 over here. So let's use number 8. Okay. Okay, so let's use B5 all the way here. B5. Also we do the same thing for B7. Enter. Alright, so now we can click here, legend, create new legend, and then we have the measurement of all of the wire over here. Let's put a grid line to that. Put this one to white color. So now we're done with the takeoff. In the next video I will go briefly about the pricing.